Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to free transform text in Photoshop. This video is very shortly. I have a text layer. Then select text layer, hold Ctrl T, press on your keyboard. Then hold Ctrl and select the corner. Now see this free transform. Okay. Hold Ctrl, then select corner, click and drag it. And another way to free text, hold Ctrl, press T on your keyboard, click the icon, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object, then again right click mouse, rasterize layer, hold Ctrl T, click the icon, then click and drag it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.